Hello and welcome. Let's start reading today's story. Just follow the blue circle and read along. All about chickens. This is a hen. It has two legs. It has two wings. It has one beak. Now, can you repeat after me? This is a hen. It has two legs. It has two wings. It has one beak. Interesting? Now repeat after me. A hen is a female chicken. She can lay eggs. A hen is a female chicken. She can lay eggs. Hen has a red color comb. Comb is above the head. Hen has a red color comb. Comb is above the head. Hen has a red color wattle. Wattle is under the neck. Hen has a red color wattle. Wattle is under the neck. This is wattle and this is the comb. This is a rooster. It has two legs. It has two wings. It has one beak. This is a rooster. It has two legs. It has two wings. It has one beak. This is a rooster. It has colorful feathers. It is big in size. This is a rooster. It has colorful feathers. It is big in size. A Rooster is a male chicken. A rooster is a male chicken. He cannot lay eggs. He cannot lay eggs. A baby chicken is called chick. It is yellow or white. A baby chicken is called chick. It is yellow or white. All the chicks, hens, and rooster stay in a coop. All the chicks, hens, and rooster stay in a coop. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye bye.